Okay, this is the Acme, made in the United Kingdom whistle. So the build quality is there. So there are other big brands out there who made in China one not so good actually. They are more perfect. They have been making whistle for don't know how long, before we were born. So this cyclone, actually this cyclone not that great. The better one is actually the tornado. The police always buy this T2000. So what's so special about this is damn bloody loud, 120 decibel. This is real one. Look at the number of channel he has. This is damn loud. So all SOLAS approved. They are the mountain rescue approved. Another unique model is this. This is a survival model. So the usage is different. Survival model, the frequency is lower, can travel further. It's the internationally recognized SOS frequency. So people hear this sound, they know someone is in trouble. It's a SOS type survival whistle. Tornado, this kind is a very sharp sound, more for traffic control. They use for like sports, to alert people. This is a different kind of whistle. Then of course, there'll be the tornado pillars. This one not as loud, but it is so flat. Look at this weird shape. So when you keep in your pocket, it's so nice and flat. That's not so annoying and easy to hold and control. And this one triple channel. 3 channel. And another unique one is the dog whistle. So this kind of dog whistle is only dog can hear. You can hear, then maybe you dog. So something different. Then of course we have the electronic whistle. Oh wait, this is the older electronic whistle. The new upgraded one looks like this. So why people want this is because this is USB charge. If not, you will change all the weird battery, keep on changing and changing, very troublesome. So loud. Also double frequency. And it has a built-in light. Normal torchlight, not say very bright, but just for patrol use. This one mostly the traffic controller will buy. I think Air Force will buy also. So different usage. If you're not sure what is you need, you just let us know, we can recommend you.